Good day and welcome to Sal's. This beauty really turned out nice, standing tall here today. Sandblasted, primed and painted. Look underneath here at this beautiful frame and all this nice toolboxes on it here. Beautiful truck here, really looks nice. Good rubber toolboxes in the back. Nice removable top. You've got your hitch in the back. Beautiful truck here, standing tall, ready to go. Nice unit here. Likewise inside, reupholstered seat, respectable interior. All right. Here we go. One thing for me to tell you and one thing for me to show you. We're gonna run her down the road here, a beautiful diesel automatic. This has a beautiful motor in it. She's running smooth and working great. Nice unit here. Thanks again for watching the video. Nice, good power on it. Diesel automatic. Speedometer coming right up there. Give me a call on my cell phone, 260-760-5052. Thanks for watching the video. This thing runs great, operates great. Sure appreciate you watching the video. Visit our website at www.99trucks.net. That's the 2 number 9s, 99 and the word trucks, trucks.net. Here's a beautiful running unit here. Diesel, automatic with a removable top. Beautiful, nice truck here. Thanks again for watching the video. Look forward to hearing from you. We offer delivery nationwide.